that stone from the north to the south, cutting through this heat, breathing air and through my mouth. And I haven't picked my head up for more than 1 week, 'cause the ground is caked in mud and I don't trust my feet. With all this rain that's falling, no roof above my head, I question where I'm going, if I should turn around instead. Sometimes it seems we've lost it all. Wandering feet will raise the fall. I can't stop this motion, and I need to keep on through. But the only thing to guide me, a nightlight called the moon. Places that I've gone to, the things that I've seen, have more than one could ask for back home in New York City. Yeah, on the road it's easy to lose your chain of thought, forget about the things that make you who you are. Someday it might get lonely, no solid ground to stand. For now I'll keep on drifting, who knows when this will end. Sometimes it seems we've lost it all. Wandering feet will brace the fall. Sometimes it seems we've lost it all. Wandering feet will brace the fall. Sometimes it seems we've lost it all. Wandering feet will brace the fall. Surely your eyes feel the weight of my love. I have never been more swept away, left undone, taken by beauty. My heart is alive. I am holding a treasure more precious than time. Just hold me close. You're free from harm. I'll keep you safe here in my arms. Just before dawn, you hear me say, morning has come to welcome the day. Let yourself go, let your heart settle down. I have no place to go when your smile comes around. You are my heaven, the star in my sky, guiding me to a promise.
be here till you wake. In the morning I'll be ready to laugh, run and play. Resting my love for the night, running out just a little while longer. Can I hold you here in my arms?
Way back when we started, you guarded your heart away. You wanted to fight this feeling. I thought it was nothing, we turned into something else. Now when I take a look around, this is just what I wanted. I thought that we were going down. I'm so glad that I fought it, 'cause we're here now, here now. Baby, we were on and on and on and off again. But this time around I see it through a different lens. Now that we're standing in the sunlight, sunlight. Now that I'm looking into your eyes, it feels right. Yeah, we were always on and on and on and off again. This time I swear it's different. We've been through our seasons, but we're doing better now. These days I can't fight this feeling. I used to need therapy, but you gave me clarity. Now when I look around, this is just what I wanted. And I just needed you to break me down, so I could finally be honest, honest, honest. Baby, we were on and on and on and off again. But this time around I see it through a different lens. Now that we're standing in the sunlight, sunlight. Now that I'm looking into your eyes, it feels right. Yeah, we were always on and on and on and off again. This time I swear it's different. Now when I take a look around, this is just what I wanted. I thought that we were going down. I'm so glad that we fought it. Baby, we were on and on and on and off again. But this time around I see it through a different lens. Now that we're standing in the sunlight, sunlight. Now that I'm looking into your eyes, it feels right. We were always on and on and on and off again. This time I swear it's different. This time I swear it's different. This time I swear it's different.